Hi everyone! In this tutorial, I'll show how to log course content if you want your learner to be able to access it only after completion of a particular activity. First, we need to add a log content extension. To do so, go to Extensions and turn on Content Logging. Now go to your course content. For example, I want to log the last section of my course. I go to its settings, Content Logging, and set up the conditions. I can log the whole page, an article, or a component within the page. Then I choose a page that has to be completed to unlock this current page. Let's test it. The log is closed. We go to the page that has to be completed. We've got a notification that another page has been unlocked. Let's see. Here it is, available for your exploration. I hope you find this video useful. If you are building a course in Evolve or just playing with the tool, share your progress. Let's celebrate it together.